Asegúrate que toda la inteligencia relacionada al dron esté disponible antes de nuestra próxima discusión.
China would pay billions to get their hands on this drone.
Buen fortuna de Falcon.
Good karma.
The cyber weapon.
Wait, there. Right there. You see that? Cross-reference image with active U.S. corporate logos.
No matches.
Cross-reference worldwide.
Wait a minute. It's Colossus. Karma weapons on a floating city.
That's how they got so close to the mainland. Salazar, prep a covert response team ready to go in 60 minutes. Inform Admiral Briggs. We're getting really close to Menendez. To get the upper hand, I've got to get some answers from the horse's mouth. I'm going to see Woods at the vault. First things first. Karma.
Icarus 9, you're cleared for landing on deck 7. Maintain current heading, all looks good.
Copy that. Icarus 9 beginning descent.
Comms are open, Freeze. We're all listening.
Okay. The ID bands identify you as Union inspectors. You'll have access to most areas except the one you actually want. Central Records computer is subject to increased security. Access is only permitted via retina scan. That's where Ziggy comes in.
In short, the CRC's our best shot at locating Karma before the Falcons peak. Marine, did you manage to access the personnel files?
Not yet. The encryption is very complicated.
You're smart. I have faith in you. Section out.
So this is how the 1% live.
You know, if this wasn't an op, I believe I'd give myself a little hot chick action here. ASDs. I think they're expecting trouble.
It's the richest city in the world.
Which makes it a likely target for Raul Menendez.
Okay. Stay cool.
Stay where you are. The scanners detected the presence of hazardous materials.
Whoa, hey, it's a misunderstanding, okay? Hey, whoa, hey, we're working on the remodeling downstairs. It's probably from the site.
Sir, please remain where you are. Peters, can you come up here? We got a situation.
Damn it, Egghead. I thought we were burned that time.
Relax, Harper. I told you the shielding would work. The scanner couldn't see a thing. Okay, now just show your ID and walk right through.
Hello, ladies. We're from the Union. That's it?
People don't do a whole lot at Colossus.
What is this?
It's an automated system. It's triggered by your biometric ID.
Open 24 hours.
Wow, look at that. This place is unbelievable, huh? Hey, what do you figure it'd cost to spend the weekend here?
More than you make in a year.
No shit.
No wonder Menendez rallies so much support.
Harper, sweep the floor. Salazar and I will proceed to the insertion point.
Copy that. Whoa, how you doing, beautiful?
Excuse you, creep.
To authorized personnel only. Please scan your biometric ID.
So far, so good.
Hey, you shouldn't be in here.
We have Union IDs.
Okay, section, I'm in.
Go ahead.
Colossus recently employed private military contractors to augment its regular security team. All ex-Cuban militia.
No shit, we just ran into some of them. All right, Siggy. Time to go to work. Harper, the security team's been compromised by PMCs. They're hostile. Watch for anything suspicious. We need to know their objective.
Understood. Watch the gap coming up. See you can jump across. Wait, what are they doing?
Planning explosives.
You're going to blow the ship?
Not before they secured Karma. Harper, heads up. The mercs are priming explosives on board.
I'm tailing some of these guys right now. They're headed your way. Okay.
There's our mark.
Take some section.
Scanning now.
What do we have here?
It's the PMCs! Harper, you were right. They're already inside the server room. Let's go! Come on, come on!
Access granted.
Ready?
¡Enemigo atravesando la puerta! ¡Granada!
Go!
¡Cúbrense!
Come on, come on!
Access granted.
Ready?
¡Enemigo atravesando la puerta! ¡Granada!
Go!
¡Cúbrense! ¡Ataquen!
Fareed, I need to be able to ID the enemy. Live link to PMCs listed in the personnel files with their biometric IDs. Upload the data to my HUD.
You got it.
Placing the uplink. You sure this will work, Fareed?
I thought you had faith in me. Okay, we're in.
The Karma weapon may have been smuggled on board alongside regular supplies. Search supply manifest, keyword Karma. Nothing. Search automated security systems, keyword Karma. We're missing something. Search security camera image database, text recognition, Karma. There. Karma isn't a weapon. It's a woman.
Chloe Lynch, former employee of Tacitus, recently resigned.
Now we know her name. We can track her location on the ship.
Upstairs, Club Solar. Section, you hear that? More PMCs outside the door.
Fareed, we have enemies right outside. No way around. Open the CRC room door. Harper, Karma is not a weapon. She's a girl. I'm sending you her picture now.
Got it. Hey. That's the chick I saw in the elevator.
She's in Club Solar, but you better make it there fast. The PMCs are moving on her right now.
I'm on it.
Split up. Take the elevator to the upper floor.
Understood.
I'll regroup with Harper.
Chloe!
You!
Chloe! You need to come
Who
with
the
me
hell
now!
are you? How do you know my...
I'm Mike Harper, a Navy SEAL!
Get the fuck away from me!
Listen, you hear me? Your life is in danger! Terrorists are coming for you now!
Terrorists? What are you talking about?
Chloe! They've been sent by Raul Menendez!
Secure her, Harper. We're on our way.
His ID says VIP. Sorry, sir. We're very busy tonight.
Nice evening, sir.
Harper, where are you?
We're on the dance floor.
On my way.
Section, I'm in position on the club balcony.
Mercs taking hostages!
Chloe Lynch!
He's got hostages. Hold fire.
Chloe!
Salazar, take the shot.
No shot. Too many hostages.
5 seconds, Chloe! No!
No!
Open fire!
Karma, we're in pursuit. We need you to track the movements, Fareed. We can't let him get off the ship.
Patching into the security camera feeds.
What's happening?
We're U.S. Navy SEALs. Yeah, listen, you need to open the armory, get your guys armed and ready to fight. Hey, look at me. Focus, all right? We need to get this done.
Okay, the security armory.
Go do it.
What happened?
Del Falco detonated a fucking bomb outside the nightclub. He's got the girl.
Patches in the security cameras for this deck. There! He's in the mall! Let's go!
They really want this Karma chick bad.
Fareed! DeFalco's blowing the ship!
Is that son of a bitch still on board?
I'm not sure. I can't see.
We can't let that DeFalco bastard escape! Ah, shit, man! He's getting away!
Exiting the mall.
Bastard really starting to piss me off!
Fareed, you have to jam DeFalco's detonator!
I'm working on it.
They're sealing the door! There's inside! The ESDs are out of control! It's coming down!
Fareed, can you hack an ASD unit at remote Station 55?
Station 55. 55, got it!
Get it open!
Set parameters. ID monitor and protect.
Go, people, get out of here! Let's move!
Colossus' defenses are now armed to respond to a terrorist attack. Automated security will target armed personnel as hostile.
That includes the enemy?
Any armed personnel.
At least it's not all bad.
Briggs ain't gonna be happy if DeFalco gets Chloe off this ship!
It's the sun phone!
Block the signal!
It's the sun phone!
Block the signal!
Okay, working on it.
We're losing ground, we gotta move!
You guys need to pick up the pace. He's nearly at the evac deck. The Falco's gone to a lot of trouble to get this woman. He will not hesitate to send forces just to cover his tracks.
We need to get back to the Obama. Find out why the girl's so important to Menendez.